Munchers, it's me, Munching with Mona, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a little different. I am actually going to do a cooking demonstration. This video is headed up by our virtual potluck, and I am going to name everyone that's involved. We have the mysshobbs, we have Trekatexastee, we have the Thick and Chunky Show, we also have Beyond Seattle Eats, Ulovechani, Motor Mouth Madness, asthetubeturns, and Fritz Family Entertainment. So if you haven't already, please go over to their channels and check them out. They have some great content for you. That is all that is involved in our virtual potluck. Please go over and check them out as well. They are also releasing their content today as well. All of the videos are being shown today. Give everybody a like, a comment, and if you haven't already, subscribed to them. And I hope you guys enjoy this segment. Thanks for coming to In the Kitchen with Mona today, and I'll see you guys next video. Hey guys, it's me, Munching with Mona, and I am here with a cooking demonstration. Today I will be making black-eyed peas soup. Happy New Year to everyone. So right now what I have is some onions. I did a pan over. What I'll do is I'll come back and make it a little more translucent, and then I'll show you what my next step will be. Don't go nowhere. Okay, so we're at the pot. I let the onion and garlic cook. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my water. I will be using 6 cups of water. It looks like a lot of water. They have their rinsed and soaked and picked out. This is 1 bag. Black-eyed peas. Get in the pot. Don't want to waste any. Go ahead and stir that up. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my liquid smoke to give it a more of a smoky flavor. I'm just going to eyeball it. That's enough. Enough. So go ahead and put a little bit of garlic, pepper. Everything I use from here, and I put it back over on this side. A little bit of Italian seasoning. These are my concoction of seasonings that I made up for myself. This is some Creole seasoning. I'm going to put a bay leaf in there. Just one. Bay leaf. Six peppers is by tones. You can get whatever pepper seasoning blend that you like, but I use 6 peppers. Also going to put some crushed red pepper. Put a little kick, a little spicy spice. And let's see, some black pepper. And you can also season things after you eat it, but this is just other purposes. I like to put a little bit of seasoning. Larry's, just a little touch. A little bit of sea salt. No, it seems like a lot of seasoning, but I'm not putting a lot. But I like flavor. So therefore, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna stir this up. So this will cook. I'm gonna let the beans cook first for a good 10 minutes. And then after that, the next 10 minutes will be adding my kale and my sweet potato mixture. And then I'm going to cut up the rest of my sunset angel sweet tomatoes. And then I'm going to also add that in when I add the actual greens and sweet potato. Where's my top? Got the top. Y'all know I gotta act up. Wouldn't be me if I ain't act up a little bit. Okay, so when you're using the pressure cooker, it has the arrows to tell you what direction to put it. So this is where I used to have that piece of paper that had an arrow saying this way. So I already know that it's this way because of also the metal piece pops out. So you put that in, you hear it lock. You want to make sure that the vent that lets out the exposure of the steam is closed. There is open for steam and that is to close. You want to make sure that's closed. So then you're going to come over here. Then you're going to look at me go ahead and set it. So I had it on saute, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset it. So I'm going to go to high, right? Then I'm going to use timer. And then I'm going to add the kale, tomato, and the sweet potatoes. And then we're going to check on our rice that I have cooking over here. This is just some rice that I'm cooking. What is it? Jasmine rice. So once that cooks, we'll put the combination together and then we'll give it a taste, okay? All right, I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Okay, we're back. So it's been 10 minutes. We're going to release the pressure. Stand back. Okay, so the pressure has stopped. Everything has released. It's hot, you guys. Be careful. So as you can see, we have a great base in there. Smells really good. They're actually done. I'm just gonna do 5 minutes. You could put as much as you want. You could add any green that you would like. So I added kale. Put spinach. This is just an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Stir that in. Look at that. It's going to be beautiful. Healthy. We're going to go into 2020 eating healthy some days. I am not that person to make a promise to do something. You know, to eat healthier and be better because it's not gonna stick. I'm gonna be honest with you, but I will eat healthy, and I do now sometimes, you know. Okay, so we're gonna set the timer. Sorry guys, put that back on there. Close valve. Gonna go ahead and go back to high pressure, and we're gonna do 5 minutes. Again, timer, 5 more minutes. Push start, and we're gonna go ahead and let that cook, and then I'll be back, and then we'll do a taste test. All right, don't go nowhere. Okay, munchers, so 5 minutes have passed. I'm gonna go ahead, take a look at what we got going on here. Release the pressure. pressure already. Again, we're gonna remove it. It's hot, so we put this aside here. This recipe again has come from YouTube, and I got the recipe from Vegan with Curves, but I kind of put my own spin or twist on it like we all would do. But it is a video that she uploaded, and I kind of put my own spin to it. So we got, go ahead and spoon this up. So I got some rice that I made, the jasmine rice, and we have this healthy vegetable looking meal. It's vegan friendly. Ooh, that look good, y'all. So we have, like I said, the sweet potatoes, we got kale, we got black eyed peas, and we have tomatoes. And then I added a little bit of tomato sauce for some flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all take a look at that while I get myself together, and then we'll go ahead and get us a good bite. So I went ahead and garnished it with parsley. You can see. So it's very hot, so I don't want to drop it. And I'm going to go ahead and do a taste test. Let you guys know what I think. Now with Curvy Vegan, she did not add rice. You can also add brown rice if you want to. Again, use brown rice if you like, but I did use jasmine rice. So I'm trying to get everything going. I am not vegan. Without being vegan, then I probably would use smoked turkey or maybe even ham hock. But I don't have a problem with eating without meat as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do it too much time. Anyway, I would say you can eat some cornbread or some kind of bread with some butter. Yes, that's a great combination. Yes. You don't even need rice because the sweet potatoes is very hearty enough. It's very seasoned. It's not over seasoned. You can even add some more salt and pepper to it if you like. One more bite. I know y'all like, girl, you can eat that off camera. But I thank you for coming on with Lunching with Mona. I'm going to call this in the Kitchen with Mona. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the video. Munching with Mona's channel. Please like, comment, share the video with anyone and everyone that you may think may be interested in a recipe sort of like this. And I hope you guys eat healthy, hearty meals in 2020. Special thanks to this video, I should have said in the beginning, is a collaboration with content creators that are involved in this virtual potluck. We have mysshobbs, Trekatexastee, The Thick and Chunky Show, Beyond Seattle Eats, Ulovechani, Motormouth Madness, Asthetubeturns, and the Fritz Family Entertainment. So please, if you haven't already, go check out all of the channels. I will list them below, and you will be able to go over and subscribe to their channels. Check them out. Very good content, very nice people. So let them know Mona sent you, and I hope that you enjoy eating healthy.